How to create Gmail account without phone number. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Gmail app, then click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen, and then go to add another account and click on Google. After that, simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on create account and then click on for my personal use. Add your name, your last name, and then press on next. Add your birth date and your gender. After that, choose your Gmail address or simply create your own and then press on next. After you've done that, create a strong password and press on next. Again, press on next. Scroll down and then press on I agree. After you've done that, your account will be created. Simply again open Gmail app, click on your profile on top right and switch your new account. This is how to create Gmail account without phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.